ready to upgrade your vinyl experience. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the best turntables of 2025, from the affordable Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK to the premium Fluance RT85. We'll explore the features, build quality, and sound performance of each model to help you find the perfect match for your setup. Whether you're new to vinyl or a seasoned audiophile, these turntables deliver outstanding sound quality and value. Number 5. For those new to vinyl or looking for an easy-to-use turntable, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK is a standout option. This fully automatic belt drive turntable supports 2 speeds, 33, 13, and 45 RPM, making it compatible with a wide range of records. Its anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter ensures smooth playback with minimal distortion. The integrated dual-magnet phono cartridge with a replaceable diamond stylus enhances sound clarity, making your records sound crisp and detailed. The built-in switchable phono preamp provides versatility, allowing you to connect it directly to powered speakers or an external amplifier. Users appreciate its sleek black design, ease of setup, and the clear improvement in sound quality compared to cheaper suitcase-style players. However, some wish it had Bluetooth functionality, though this can be added with an adapter. With its affordable price, solid construction, and impressive audio performance, the AT-LP60X-BK is a perfect turntable for beginners and budget-conscious vinyl enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The Fluance RT81 Elite is a fantastic turntable for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Featuring a belt-driven motor, high-mass MDF wood plinth, and isolation feet, it provides exceptional stability and reduced resonance, ensuring crystal-clear playback. This turntable is fitted with an Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge. Known for its diamond elliptical stylus that precisely follows record grooves, delivering detailed and immersive audio. The balanced S-type tone arm allows for smooth tracking, while the built-in Texas Instruments preamp ensures warm, true-to-original sound reproduction. For those preferring external preamps, it also includes gold-plated RCA outputs for seamless connectivity. Beyond its audio performance, the RT81's walnut wood finish gives it a classic retro appeal that blends beautifully with any setup. Users rave about its rich sound quality, easy setup, and solid craftsmanship. While some audiophiles may choose to upgrade the cartridge, it performs exceptionally well out of the box. If you're looking for a visually stunning high-performance turntable at a reasonable price, the Fluance RT81 Elite is an excellent choice. It offers warm, detailed sound, elegant design, and premium build quality, making it one of the best turntables in its class. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ PLX-500 is a direct drive turntable that delivers professional-level performance at an affordable price. Designed with DJs and vinyl enthusiasts in mind, it offers high torque, accurate speed control, and excellent sound reproduction. One of its key advantages is the direct drive motor, which provides consistent speed and smooth operation, making it ideal for both DJing and everyday listening. The built-in preamp means you can connect it directly to powered speakers without needing an external phono stage. Additionally, the USB output allows you to convert your vinyl records into digital files easily. Users praise its easy setup, high-quality construction, and crisp sound clarity. Many find it to be a great alternative to more expensive DJ turntables, offering comparable performance at a lower price point. The included headshell, cartridge, and stylus provide excellent audio right out of the box, though some audiophiles may choose to upgrade the stylus for an even better experience. For those looking for a versatile, durable, and high-performing turntable, the Pioneer DJ PLX-500 is a top-notch choice that blends modern features with classic analog performance. Number 2. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK is a powerful, direct-drive turntable built for vinyl lovers and DJs who demand precision, durability, and high-quality sound. Its fully manual operation, adjustable anti-skate control, and 3-speed capability make it a versatile choice for various listening preferences. One of its biggest advantages is the direct drive motor, which offers consistent speed control and instant startup, perfect for both everyday listening and DJing. The USB output allows users to convert vinyl records into digital formats, ensuring they can enjoy their collection across different devices. The built-in switchable phono preamp provides flexibility, allowing users to connect directly to powered speakers or an external amplifier. User feedback highlights superior sound clarity, smooth operation, and excellent build quality. Many appreciate how the direct drive system eliminates common issues found in belt-driven turntables, such as speed fluctuations and degradation over time. The included AT-VM95E cartridge provides a balanced, rich sound that enhances both new and vintage records. If you're looking for a high-end turntable that delivers precise playback, modern digital features, and exceptional durability, the AT-LP120XUSB-BK is a standout choice that meets the needs of both audiophiles and DJs alike. Number 1. The Fluance RT85 is a high-performance turntable that delivers premium sound quality at a competitive price. With the Audiophile 2M Blue cartridge, the RT85 excels at providing clear, balanced, and highly detailed audio, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy vinyl in all its glory. One of its standout features is the acrylic platter, which adds extra mass to dampen vibrations, resulting in more accurate sound reproduction. The speed control system ensures that the platter spins at a consistent rate, minimizing unwanted speed fluctuations. The isolated motor helps reduce mechanical noise and vibrations, providing a much clearer listening experience. The MDF wood plinth with adjustable resonance damping feet further isolates the turntable, creating a clean sound with tight bass and rich mid-range tones. Users love the easy setup process and the overall build quality, with many impressed by the warm, natural sound the RT85 produces. Though it doesn't include a phono preamp, this allows users to choose the one that best suits their system. For anyone seeking a budget-friendly turntable that delivers audiophile-level sound, the Fluance RT85 is a standout choice that provides outstanding value for its price.